Welcome to this technical guide on the Setterberg Silvercrest. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Setterberg Silvercrest won't respond at all, this can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a malfunctioning control board or a power-related problem. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage, making your device completely unusable. To tackle this issue, you will need a screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, a replacement control board for the Setterberg Silvercrest, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure the device is unplugged and cool to the touch. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the casing, starting at the edge and gently working your way around to avoid any damage. Once the casing is removed, you will see the internal components. The control board is usually located near the power connection. It will have several wires connected to it. Identify the faulty component by checking for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt areas or broken connections. To extract the control board, carefully disconnect the wires by gently pulling them off, taking care not to apply excessive force. You may encounter screws securing the board in place. Use the appropriate screwdriver to remove them. Be mindful of the screws' lengths and types, as mixing them up can cause issues during reassembly. Once the board is free, replace it with a new one, ensuring it fits snugly in the allocated space. Reconnect the wires to their respective terminals, ensuring a firm connection without excessive strain on the cables. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the new control board, carefully reassemble the casing by pressing it back into place until you hear a click, indicating it is secure. Finally, plug in your Setterberg Silvercrest and power it on to check if it responds correctly. To prevent similar issues in the future, ensure your device is properly maintained and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or moisture, which can cause internal components to fail. Regularly check the device for any signs of wear and tear, and address them promptly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.